Hello, namaste and welcome in the stage of cybersecurity. This side is Mina and today I will discuss about network security monitoring tools. Every business is having some kind of objective, and whatsoever the resources in a business, they just collectively support that objective. And being IT professional or cybersecurity professional, our objective is to keep running our IT infrastructure smoothly so that it can support the objective of our business, okay, or should protect our IT infrastructure from any kind of cyber attacks so that it cannot disrupt the business objective, okay. And in this case, network monitoring tool or the network security monitoring tools, those tools are really very helpful. They can just collect the information from different devices, either this in the form of logs, and they can see what is happening in the network. Is there any kind of malicious activity? They just analyze the data they collected from different devices, and if any kind of anomalies they detect, or any kind of misbehave they detect, they can generate the alert or can send the notification that there is some kind of abnormality, some kind of indication of the cyber attacks, so that we can take some kind of action against those activities which can disrupt our business, which can disrupt our IT infrastructure, okay. But in case if you are a network administrator or the security professional, and your management will ask you, okay, tell us whatever the devices we need for the for IT, and you will say, okay sir, we need that much of the pieces, that hardware we required to run our business. They say, okay, that's we need it. And for protecting our IT infrastructure, we need some kind of firewalls. They also understand this thing. Yes, firewall can protect a lot of can protect from a lot of cyber attacks that's coming from the outside world, okay. And the application you will suggest, either that's related to certain task, specific task, say some applications required for account department or some sales department, or in for the R&D. So they will also say yes for that, okay, just but you can also buy those applications. But in case of when you are saying we also need sir network monitoring tool or the network security monitoring tool, then this thought is not filtered in their head. They will say, okay, we have implemented the firewalls, then why do we need to why we need any kind of network security monitoring tools? They cannot understand the importance of it. And being IT professional, we understand it's very important, but you need not to worry about. There are many tools which are even open sourced and free of cost. You can download, and you can also use in your organization. So if you are not getting like those tools are like Nmap, Wireshark, you can use OpenVAS, okay, you can use Snort, IDSI for IDS, and there are many more tools which you can use for network security monitoring, okay. What exactly this is and how it can help us? As you can say here, for the network monitoring means, what is the objective of network monitoring? Prevent downtime means observing it, what kind of the traffic is running, which application is consuming maximum of the bandwidth, okay, or which application is using a lot of kind of traffic, sending traffic outside. You just want to know what is happening in our network, but still it's not sufficient. You also need some kind of security monitoring tool. When we are saying security monitoring means we also want to know whatsoever the security controls we have implemented in our organization. Suppose we have segregated our data or classified our data as per our company's requirement, or whatsoever the indications or the instructions we received from our management. This data comes under sensitive data. Okay, this data is for private use, and we want to observe it, what is just going on, who is accessing it, so who is violating the policies, what the policies we are using. Security monitoring tool just give us that perspective. Okay, and what kind of indicators that is that indicates, yes, this is the anomalies in our network, and this is the attack. Network monitoring tool, just security monitoring will give us those all over data from different devices. Okay, so just only one is not sufficient. Collectively the objective is same, to keep the business running. Okay, as you can see here, there are different devices used in an organization, say firewall, router, IPS, servers. Servers may be just having the active directories. So all these are generating any kind of logs. Okay, and this log collected and passed in a way so that it can make some kind of sense. We can understand what's going on in our network. Okay, and that is just sent to our SIM, and our SIM will give us the true picture, what is happening in our network, where we need to take care of certain data, who is accessing it, what kind of user or the group of users violating the policy or just misusing misusing the IT infrastructure. Here just we can see the complete picture, and it is very important in case of the cybersecurity. Once you know what is happening in your network, then you can control it. Okay, so follow me on the cybersecurity page and get the notification for the next interesting and informative session. Also share that session with your friends, group members as well, so that they can understand about network security monitoring. And in case if you don't get budget from your management as well, you can use free open sourced network security monitoring tool on your network, and you can get the true picture, real time picture, what is happening in your network. See you in the next session. Namaste.